This is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, you will need to make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. From here at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, you will need to open the app page and then click at the install button over here. And just wait for Opera to get downloaded and installed, obviously. After that, you can go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you will undergo a very simple setup procedure. So in here, simply choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser right off the bat, or you can skip this step. And at the final page over here, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.